Hey guys, it's me Cameron, and I just had a banana, and I know it's supposed to be with Sprite, but I don't have that, so I just have this thing of Diet Coke. I think it's a glass, yeah, that's what it is. Okay, stuff on the floor. Alright, I'm gonna chug this. I just had some. You guys will see that video probably before this one. Alright, so I'm gonna chug this and hopefully not burn my guts out. I'm not very fast at chugging, so I'll just take it slow like in the other video. Or I could do it kind of fast so I burn more, but I don't know. Let me just do this. Okay, so chill out. Oh, it's cold. It burns going down your throat. Got it. All full. Now we just wait for it. Ooh. Bye guys.